Hey guys, welcome out to the range. I'm going to run something for you real quick. First I'm going to run it with my 2-point sling, then I'm going to run it with my single point sling, and I'll tell you what it's about. Alright, 2-point. Single point. Hit. Let's try an 80 just for fun. Wanted to get out of the sun because I get way too much sun exposure. Okay, working with my single point sling versus my 2-point sling. Single point hangs just fine here in front. When I go to transition to my sidearm, and it's straight down and it tends to hook because of the kit. And then I could work with the handgun. When I go to actually move it around to the back, I grab the forend and I push out and around like this and release it, and it will tend to pretty much stay there. Okay, it'll tend to pretty much stay right there. If I'm going to be carrying for an extended period of time, then absolutely I want to be going with a 2-point sling. What I'm getting at is, as you saw in that drill just a few moments ago, guys, there's not much difference. There really isn't much difference between a single point and a 2-point sling. The single point sling gets it done just fine because it is a, say, pick up and go type of a moment. The 2-point is when you're doing extended carry, and I've been doing extended carry, you know, out in the woods laying out targets. With all honesty, guys, it came to me the other day and I thought I need to share that. Literally, when the bullets start flying, it doesn't matter what you're wearing. It's 2-point, single point. I mean, it doesn't matter. Like I said, the only time it really truly matters is if you're going to be carrying that gun for an extended period of time, and then yeah, it's going to want to be 2-point. And that's why I'm glad I actually offer both, because I can, you know, I've been saying this stuff for a long time and people just really weren't quite getting it, and I keep repeating it, but now that I'm actually making both slings, now there's a bit more validity to what I'm saying, because I've been saying it, like I said, I've been saying it all along, that single point is for fighting, 2-point is for carrying. You know, mostly, guys, today is November 8th. The elections were 5 days ago, and I'm just mostly out here blowing off steam, just trying to have a little bit of fun. Trying to relax, not blow off a lot of ammo, but just get some sunshine and fresh air. Man, America's in for some interesting times coming up here pretty soon. Anyways, God bless you all. Get those guns out and practice. Have a good one. And you know what? Well, that's 100 right there. So from where we are, 96, 97 yards maybe? Let's see what we got. Freestanding. You know what? Let's go for a headshot. I want to make sure my camera's ready. Let's go for a headshot. Let's go for a headshot. That was dead center. I actually saw it. It was like, ding. Cool. All right. Have a good one, guys.